Okay, hello everyone. This is MD Asif Al-Azad, and today I'm going to explain my recent work. I have successfully developed a Prisma project for pet adoption with authentication, pet model, adoption model, and user profile. Some rules. Okay, I am going to start from authentication. First of all, I'm going to create a new user. Okay, it's loading. Okay, that's cache. I'm going to copy the email. And okay, I'm now start my project in the backend so that I'm going to use my live link. Okay, user created successfully. I am using Railway Cloud Service for deploy out my database, Prisma database. Now I'm going to log in with the created user and then send the request and I'll get the data and the token. I'm going to use this token for doing every operation, and now let's set the token as a variable so that we can use the token easily. Control all press, control all press, and save, and successfully saved. Okay, our authentication part is almost complete. We can create an user and also log in the user with the credentials. Now I am trying to create a pet by the data. What should be the name? Mimi to breed. It's Deshi. Okay. Okay. Also implement the live link. Okay. Now request sent. Pet added successfully, and this is the pet. And I'm going to retrieve all the pets from our database. And there are almost 8 pets. See, now I can use some filter to find the data. Here the species are dog. The data, where is the species dog? The data will be showed us. If I use breed equal deshi, also it will retrieve the deshi breed pets. Then we can use size for filter. This is large. There are 7 results which pet size is large. Now sort by, I am going to use sort by S and sort order ASC. Let's see it's work or not. Okay, don't use size. I use sort by S. Sort by S 1 and sort order SC 1 1 1 3 3 3. Okay, it's working perfectly. Now I am going to check the limit and the page. Page 1 limit 3. Okay, page 1 limit 3. Now I got 3 data. Okay, if I use page 2 limit 3, it's also giving 3 data, 3 and 3 6. Now if I use page 3, it could Send me only two results. Okay, it's working perfectly. So I'm going to update a page and copy the ID and go to update request. Okay, change the ID first, then use the live links. Okay, our live link is this is our live link Vercel. We are deployed it into Vercel. Okay, name is 6. Sending request, sending request. Okay, pet submitted successfully. Is 6. Done. Authentication model and pet model are done. Now we are going to create adoption model. Okay, here in the adoption model, we use the authentication to get a users and in the service we use the user ID and set into this JSON data like we just use a pet ID and just pet ownership experience. If I hit with the request is looking like user ID, pet ID, status, and the owner experience. We are going to use, okay, this is working perfectly, get all adoption. If I send the get all adoption request, okay, all the adoption requests are working perfectly. Now I am going to copy adoption request, this ch and try to update the status, the adoption request. It seems slow network. Okay, I'm going to use this ID and send update. Okay, adoption request update successfully. Now we have the user profile section where we can get our profile information by using our valid jot token. Here we are using variables for our token. This is it. If we send a request with the token, then we got our profile that is akash@gmail.com. See, we created a user name Akash. Okay, now we could update the users information like name, email, and that's it. Okay, we are going to change the username tab. Okay, Akash Ali. Send a request. Okay, the username sent successfully. So this is the short project of our Prisma for server side, and hope I am explained perfectly. So see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.